Going to do a tire change on a 2024 Honda Pilot. Watch the whole video for the funny parts. Yeah, I'm the roadside assistant. I've been talking to you for a minute. I couldn't see shit. Your lights are too bright. Okay. Is that a locking nut? Is that a locking nut or are they all regular?
You know what? I don't know.
Yeah, that's a locking nut. You're going to have a little thing that looks like a socket.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's it. Just need the one thing. Those are probably extra nuts.
Okay, good.
Go ahead and put your emergency brake on. What to do is loosen all the bolts while it's on the ground. Otherwise, it's going to be too hard to loosen if it's on the jack already jacked up. You got your emergency brake on?
Should be, yeah.
Okay.
As far as I know.
It's a lever or a button probably.
Yeah, it's just.
And a red P will appear on the dashboard or something like that. Maybe a B or a brake or something. Some red will appear on the dashboard. No, I got it. I put the jack way up against the, right under the, where the bottom of the shock is. The spare tire on this one's up underneath the back of the truck. Honda Pilot. It's pretty easy to lower. You gotta have this locking nut remover. If you don't have that, you're not gonna get the locking nut off. It's usually in the glove box in a little velvet bag or sometimes a plastic wrapper from the store. Yeah, raise that wire up and then make some room in the back or decide where you want that thing.
Okay.
Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, all right. Who?
Is there a speed limit for this converter? I didn't see one.
A speed limit here?
Oh, like, can you only drive?
Oh, on this one. Just drive, drive normal. No, you can drive like normal here. Put that away back where you got it so you know where it's at. I drove to Mississippi and back when I was real young on one of these baby tires.
Okay.
I had to get to those casino boats immediately when they opened them. I couldn't wait.
Sounds good.
These are good tires. They got them in all the cars now. They're making about half the cars without spare tires.
Yeah, my brother's cousin.
So a bunch of Kias and Hyundais have no spares. BMWs don't have a spare. Some other vehicles don't have spares. I carry around about 12 baby tires with me. You know, I sell them or rent them or, you know, loan them if I have to. You know, it's a bummer. You buy a new car and you find out 6 months later, I don't have a spare.
I'm lucky. I didn't even think about that when I bought it.
Yeah, nobody does. Or, you know, some do. Don't, whatever, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's the one.